that are familiar with the area, right next to Irish there's a Starbucks and a Canary. Also, the first time in years that I have opted for a pumpkin spice latte with almond milk. Tastes like a deranged pumpkin. And you know what? I love it. How do you feel? Wow.
I'm over it.
Looking like a Smurf. Smurfs together. We have coffee planned. No, coffee or breakfast thing. What's the 12th?
Breakfast is the 12th. And we decided. But then again, it's like 12th will be breakfast, 13th morning will be breakfast.
What? No, so why don't I think we should just do 13th morning breakfast. Yeah. It'll be nice. So we can celebrate your birthday, you can celebrate my birthday. Yeah. Thank you.
And then 17th, your actual birthday.
Yeah.
You meal for breakfast.
Yeah. 13th morning, let's do it.
Yeah.
Message Priya. I'll tell Priya and Majid as well, so we'll just be like,
yeah,
because I know they want to see. Wow, the girls are swerving. Okay, I'm gonna stop vlogging because the road crazy. Guys, so I'm gonna have coffee with an old friend today and just discuss a few things and just catch up. Let's see how it goes. Look who it is. It's Miss Very Boost herself. What are you having? Ayahuasca?
Ayahuasca.
Yes.
Ice white mocha. Venti.
Love that for you.
Yeah.
What's in your bag, huh?
Turkey and cheese.
Guys, so we caught up after like 300 years.
It's been 84 years.
It has. And we like assessed that Miss Morris is gonna work on what? Being
communication.
Communicative.
Madonna.
Exactly. And yeah, I guess I'll see him when I see him, maybe for my birthday, maybe not.
Birthday era, slut era.
Wow.
All of it.
Gang era. We've been there. And we're
Some of y'all need one.
I don't want to out someone on my YouTube channel again, as I was once famously, you know, just attacked for that. Anyway, see you guys later. Peace. So me and Shreya are heading to the Canary Club for the launch of Nemozena. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. Maybe it's Nemozena. But we're excited. It's a collection launch and it's a really cute place. We're excited and we're so happy to have been invited. I love checking out clothes. I really don't vibe with just random cocktails unless it's in the privacy of my own home. But this is a vibe and I'm super excited. What are your thoughts?
I'm
Are you
very
Nemozena?
excited. Oh my god, I am all the way.
Love it. Actually, it's been a really long time since you and I have done this.
Oh yeah.
If you think about it, it's like been almost 2 years since you and I have gone to an event or started doing this.
It's true.
So guys, it's been a hot minute since my messy previous YouTube seasons when me and Shreya would just bump through and go to places. And yeah, I mean this season it's a lot calmer, it's a lot more collected. And we're just excited about it. You know, it's not often that I feel like getting out of my routine to do things. But today,
Works, the timing works,
Yeah,
the
the
day
venue
is working,
works,
the
the
venue
vibe.
works. Yeah.
yeah, so it's gonna be cute. Hey guys, me and Shreya are here and we're heading upstairs. Look at her serving this moment. Love it. Nemozena creates wonderful luxury pieces for women and has its roots in the heart of Italy. From first sketch to final stitch, garments are designed and produced entirely in Italy from the finest fabrics. We're done. We're just gonna pop into the first floor just to see what the vibe is.